Hey, what's up, everyone? Pase Baller here. We are now on another day for a couple of days of predictions for Philippine Basketball Association. So let me kick things off by giving my prediction for the first game, and this is between Blackwater Bossing going up against Terra Firma G. Again, that will be at 5:15 p.m. That's Manila time, and the venue will be in Nara Center in Montalban. For those na bago lang dito um, sa channel natin, Pase Baller, please subscribe to our channel. Also, if you can click on the bell button right there, that would also help. Para kung meron tayong bagong predictions, you guys would be notified. We also provide predictions sa NBA, and we all know NBA is around the corner. Just give it maybe a couple of weeks from now at magkakaroon na rin ng NBA. Alright, so again, this will be the first games of these two teams. Alright, Blackwater and Terra Firma. I have to be honest, personally, ito yung isa sa mga pinakakaabangan ko. As much as I wait for those games ng bakbakan ng mga magagaling na teams, pinapanood ko yung bakbakan ng struggle na teams. Kasi very interesting siya. By the way, the spread that is given here is minus 10.5. That's given towards Blackwater Bossing. Now, for Blackwater Bossing, if you take a look at them, nag-improve. Nag-improve yung kanilang lineup. Nadagdagan sila. They would be keeping their their head coach with Jeff Carriazo. They became bigger with the addition of Tratter, Bradwin Quinto, andyan pa rin sila. And of course, the main scoring machines that they have would be David and the Bearfield, and then din yung sa Blackwater. Again, if we take a look and if we would be talking about lineup, they became bigger and they have actually improved over the off-season. Now, itong Terra Firma, I would have to say na somehow, yes, because of the number one pick in Chu. But we have to understand na wala si Chu. Kasi nga, he's still playing in MPBL, right? He's still playing for Abra, and he would be finishing his contract there bago siya makapaglaro muna sa Terra Firma. So wala sa ngayon si Chu. Plus, they have an injured player in Carino, and their head coach would be new. Their head coach is actually new, and that's Ronald Tubin. Although, hindi naman siya literally bago sa Terra Firma because he's been with Terra Firma previously as their team manager. So, hindi naman siya literal na bago sa Terra Firma. But then again, as a head coach, this will be Ronald Tubin's first game. Ang laki ng spread at 10.5, but I would have to say na Blackwater nag-aantay na lang talaga ng pagkakataon yan to make it, to have like a breakthrough. It will be very tough for them kasi yung ibang teams nagsilakasan din. But they, if you take a look at Blackwater, meron talaga silang kinikip na core. Diba? Bearfield, Christian David, wala na pala si Casio. A great career. JV, enjoy na yung pahinga natin dyan. And again, they became bigger. They are keeping their head coach. So, kitang-kita nila na desidido silang makapasok ng playoffs. While itong Terra Firma, right now, wala akong masyadong aasahan. Nang wala pa si Chu, ang hirap umasa na magkapanalo ang Terra Firma. With the 10.5 spread, it may be big. But again, Blackwater, we have seen some glimpses on what they can do noong nakaraang conference. So I will side with Blackwater in here, minus 10.5. A lot of people may disagree with me on that. But I'd rather, take a stab doon sa Blackwater with a 10.5 spread kesa dito sa Terra Firma, bagong head coach, walang number one pick, at may mga injured players. So my pick on this one would be Blackwater minus 10.5. Peace out, Pasay Love, and God bless.